time for our weekly science experiment here at Fox 17. Haleigh was out at Gobles Elementary showing first graders how to make something called magic milk.
Hi, I'm meteorologist Haleigh Vaughn, and I'm at Mrs. Tiller's first grade classroom at Gobles Elementary, and today we are creating an experiment called magic milk. All we need is full fat milk. Again, all of these ingredients that I got were from Meijer. You can get them wherever you go to the grocery store. You can do this at home, but we're gonna use milk, a tray, you can use a bowl or you can use a plate, whatever you would like to do, Q-tips, food coloring, and some dish soap. That's it. And we're gonna see how colors mix, and we're gonna see what happens when we use this magic milk. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pour milk on all of our plates. If you guys don't mind just taking a quick step back, I'm just gonna pour the milk in. All right.
It's different color.
Yes. All right. All right. So we have the milk on all of the trays. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand down the blue coloring, and I want you to put 2 big drops of food coloring in your plate. Is it? I can open it for you. There you go. So you're just gonna do 2 big drops. And when I'm doing that, I'm also gonna pass down the red. I'm gonna have you do 3 big drops, but choose a spot that you have not put the blue. What we want is we want them to be kind of spread apart. All right, so now what we did is we put all of our primary colors on the plate with the milk. So we have our blue, our yellow, and our red. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop dish soap right in the center, and we're gonna see what happens.
Oh no, it pushes all my coloring away. My coloring. Oh look at mine.
All right.
Mine's showing.
Now next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait just a second. Some of them, if you look really close, you can start to see that there's some color down at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Now what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you take your little tiny cotton swab, I'm gonna have you mix it around and look at all the colors that you create while you're mixing it. You can kind of bring in the different colors. You see all of those different colors that are being created. So there's blue, there's yellow. You'll be able to see it in just a second, all of the different swirls that are happening. And it's fun because we did the same colors in each one of those, but they're making different forms. This one has a little bit more blue and red, and there's the yellow. Perfect. All right, so let's leave it now and see what happens after you've mixed it. You can see that there's different colors. It's kind of fun because it's separating. The dish soap does not want to connect with the milk, so it's kind of floating at the top a little bit. But the food coloring is mixing in. So you can create different colors, and it's just a really fun experiment at home for you to use the primary colors, see how you can create some purple, you can create some green, just depending on your magic milk. We'll have more experiments, and of course you can check all of these out on fox17online.com.
And as I said, this is one of our favorite segments, at least for me. And more than just the experiment themselves, just watching these students just be so engaged with what you're telling them.
They're excited.
Right. It's so fun.
Well, and just like a little look behind the curtain, we don't usually do the experiments beforehand. We're usually kind of going with it as we're doing the experiments. That experiment didn't work out exactly how I was planning.
It's an experiment.
It was an experiment. It was science. But ultimately, I think it was really fun that all the kids were able to kind of get their hands dirty a little bit, see the different colors and primary colors, the secondary colors. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, hey, you set a hypothesis, and sometimes it comes to fruition, and sometimes it doesn't.
Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. Kind of